Okay, that is pretty interesting. It's not like installed with anything. It's a little bit like moist here. I don't know why. So I want to check the GoPro, what is the quality and what is the audio quality. But here is the two panels. And there is the charge controller. Then there is the glue and everything here. I want to talk about a little bit about this, the wood polymer and or polymer glue and the what is the tiiviste massa, I don't know, like sealing mass. But it's the this thing is basically salt waterproof and UV proof. So if there is UV light hitting this, it's not like doing anything for this. And lot of people are telling me that yeah, you need to use a putylmass or something, like always use a putyl with the RV or the camper one or whatever you want to do. It's not like they are basically saying if you are taking these apart, you need to have putylmass here under this so you can take this away. But why the hell you want to take this away every 2 years to replace the putyl? If you are using the wood one, then it's waterproof and UV proof and salt waterproof and everything until the whole damn RV is gone. I'm just thinking like that, because if I'm taking this list away and using the wood under here, I'm cleaning everything using the wood here, and then I'm replacing the screws with the roster one, and then I'm replacing this rubber middle piece. Why the hell I want to take this apart? I don't understand. It's just like I vote for the wood one for everything. Like there is the putul here, but you can just basically take that away, and now it's bad because now it's drying more here and it's not like waterproof anymore. And I don't just get it why you want to have replacement parts or way to replace everything. We have the wood under here and under here or top of here. The seam is, there is the putul under because I didn't have time to take everything away, and then there is good amount wood top of this. So it's gluing the roof piece and the front piece together also with the wood one. The putul is not really like sticking, so you cannot glue and get the structural like strength with the putul, because putul is always staying sticky. That is the meaning of the putul mass. So I think the wood is a little bit better. Like, let's go to the other side. That is this is the replaced, or the whole damn this section is replaced or redone by shop. There is the putul here. It looks awful. It's always like when you are taking the list away, then it's sticky. And even here is the putul, but the panel is still moving. So this is not happening with the wood one. And here we have the hole. So I'm thinking I'm just hammering this slightly down and using like wood top of here, the white one. And same goes here. You can take these away to get the clean result, but then I don't know how much there is anymore under here. So there is some other glue here. I don't know what the hell is this. But yeah, this is something what I need to check, because there is the gap between here. I can see the putul, but or just using the body tools, car body tools for that. These are glued here because my dad didn't find way to uninstall these, so that is the reason why these are. thinking like painting these with the plastic paint, and I did say that I want to get rid of these, like uninstall these, clean these, use the glue under here, seal everything, and then paint this and put this back. But he didn't find way to uninstall those, so he did glue the inner seam. That is bad. I don't like when we are like doing everything a little bit in hurry, so that is something what we need to seal and get rid of the unused screws. These are the main points where the water is getting inside. Also here you can see there is a little bit water here, drops here, and there is water inside the light. The light is working, but still. So my ultimate goal is to remove all the list one by one, clean everything, use the wood under here, and then reinstall the list or this, and use roster screws under here. There is the rusted something screws, and this center thing is not even really sticking anymore because there is so much dirt and everything. This is already done by wood, white wood one. There was things growing between the panel and the van or the RV, so now it's sealed. Like this is not cleaned, but it's sealed, and it's I did let that dry, and then I'm just cleaning it. I have new LED lights coming also. This I'm going to take away, painting that black. I'm not sure what I'm doing with this. I'm thinking that I'm just leaving that here. You can use a heat gun to get this back to black maybe, but maybe not. Maybe just leave that. Paint this black. Use a sealing or the wood under here if there is seams. And then take this away and clean everything like this. And I'm getting 3D printer for my company, so I maybe can print the replacement parts. There is some moist and dirt inside the tail light. This is from the factory or the shop, and there is the inner rubber piece is missing. They are using the wrong screws, so that is the reason why there cannot be the rubber piece. There is sealing putul here. Little bit better glue here. I want to take these apart, and that is, if you don't use tape at the edge, this happens when you are smoothing the glue. I need to figure out how the hell I'm cleaning that. That is just something what my dad is doing when this was at the karaoke at home. So he was wanting to, oh, I need to glue it today, everything today. Like I was thinking, what the hell, we don't need to glue it this today. This is long going project if we want to do everything like perfect. And of course somebody can say that, oh, it's not going to be perfect because you are not using the putul. So these are the tools what I'm thinking like we can use to get the old panels and everything away. So now the big risk is if I take this away, then my dad is coming here and seeing that, then he's getting angry because he did already glue everything. I don't know what the hell we want to glue these. I did say that you want to glue the screws, the screw holes, but not like this. You glue at the whole damn cap. No, I don't know, but I have plenty of these tools at the work. So this is at my workplace. The whole damn RV is sitting one of the parking spots. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9 parking spots. So I did ask my client that can we park the RV here, and it was okay. There are supposed to be 2 of these, so I'm doing one big of these, 25, 30 liters. And then there is these pieces what I need to bring to the friend of me. He has the 3D printer, and this is impossible to get new pieces of these. These are the front pieces going top of the RV, top of the window. There's the old castings, there is the caravan number. And then we have 2 covered 2 things. So the ultimate plan is to drill, take this away, maybe add like clear plastic piece like polymer or polycarbonate. So, and at here we are basically removing everything from here, all the basically, no, yeah, I can, no, I don't know, maybe I just remove that and get new one. The fuse box is moving from here to the back piece. This we are moving from here to back piece. It's basically maybe hanging just by that screw. This is getting away. This is pretty bad battery charger. Nothing like this anymore, thanks. And this is the water pump connector. Looks like horrible. Maybe we add a little bit more wire to that, because now it's really tight here. You cannot change the this is staying here. I'm maybe just maybe adding like, or changing this to one socket. We don't need the second socket, because when we are ground wired or we are connected to ground, then there is like 4 sockets here. I'm not sure why there is wires going here. Maybe for the fuse box, it doesn't really make any sense, but I will run the charger cables just straight through the battery, because the poles are going to be here. This is a little bit funky because I don't know why there is so big. Everything is big and connected really funky ways here. That is the water pump. I think these are the water line connectors, but I don't see the lamp connectors. So my plan is to move this here and remove this. Why there is water? Is the antenna leaking? No. Maybe there was water here. That is never used, so I don't know. But I don't want to make any more holes here, like. So the ultimate goal is to cut 52 times something piece of this fiberglass. This is from the boat motor cover, and then we can screw everything like the poles and everything here, and connect the battery and charger to the poles. Fuse box is coming from the pole, and that way we are just moving a little bit cleaner solution. And that fiberglass piece is basically going almost at the end of the back wall, and maybe I'm just screwing it here at the front, and so it's not moving that much. Maybe using aluminium list or something between the wall and the fiberglass piece. But that fiberglass piece is basically coming here, and then I'm mounting all the electric stuff to the fiberglass piece. So we are not making more holes here, and this is something what we need to get rid. And then at least I need to open this box and start checking what the hell is inside here, and if we can cut that or do something for that, or maybe just get rid of that, because that is the antenna. We can mount the antenna wire like without the this cover to the edge, and there is the wires going here, and then we can just use the smaller one or get the new one. It's not costing like, it's costing like €4, 2 meters or something. And then I need to figure out where the hell is all the Fritke cables running, because I don't see anything that like big cables running here, and that is something like 2 meters, maybe 2 meters and 2 meters, 6 meters. So that should be like something like 2 times 6 is a bit much, but 2 times 2.75 or something at least, because it's 12 volts. This is the under or the backside of the Fritke. I don't see anything really, any wires coming here. Those are coming from the front panel, so maybe they are coming from the front, and we have the wasp nest here. So this thing has been sitting a long time, and here we have the silicone. It's not like really sealing anything. Lot of silicone everywhere, like that is like a lot from the one tube. So I'm thinking like just that is really rusty. I don't know, should there be like something like that, but I'm not sure. Can we install something like mesh here? Yeah, but then it needs to be here. I don't know.